Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. Today's question is find lexicographically largest string from the box one. Now you can read the description. I'm going to do just a coding here. Now our the function we going to use our last substring, and now this and this. Now we define our function, our I comma j pointer, that will be at 0 and 1, and n will be defined as length of our s. And now we go in the loop if our j is less than our n. If that's the case, then we define our k as 0. Now while j plus k in bound our n and our s of I plus k is equal to s of j plus k. If that's the case, increment our k, and now we check again if j plus k is less than our n and s of I plus k is equal to s not equal less than s of j plus k. If that's the case, then we update our I and j, and I becomes j, and that become max of j comma I plus k plus 1. In the else case, j becomes j plus k plus 1. Now just we return s of I, means the index. Now for the main part we check if our num finds equal to 1, then we return word. Now we define our I, not I, n comma m as length of this we do later. First we call our function in our last variable self dot last substring and word. Now this will be our length of word and this will be our length of last. Now we return last of minimum of n comma m minus num friends plus 1. Let's run the code. There are some errors. Let me fix that error. There should be like m comma dot n minus num friends plus n, and there would be j plus 1. I forgot to add 1 there. And let's run that code and submit that, and you can see there will be no error, as you can see. And the time complexity is big O of n, space complexity is going to be big O of 1, I guess, because we use two-point approach in place modifying. So that's that. If you like my solution, you can subscribe my channel. Also, you can access my all playlist from the description of this video and any other video of my YouTube channel. And also you can access all of my playlist from my channel, and I have made specific coding question that can be asked in companies like Goldman Sachs, Amazon, and Cognizant, TCS and all. Thank you.